In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zendesk chat to website embed code. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your Zendesk chat embed code and how to place it on your site so the chat widget appears where you want it. We'll focus on the modern messaging widget, which is the current standard in Zendesk. If you're using the older classic widget, just keep in mind that the code lives in a different spot, but the idea is the same. First, let's grab your embed code from Zendesk. Open the Admin Center, which you can reach via the gear or 4 squares icon in Zendesk. In the left menu, go to Channels, then Messaging and Social, and choose Messaging. You'll see your channels listed there. Click the channel you use for your website, often named something like Web Widget. Inside that channel, open the Installation tab. This is where Zendesk provides the exact snippet you need. Click Copy Code. That copies the full script to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Treat the snippet like any other site code. Don't post it publicly, and keep it handy for the next step. Now let's place the code on your website. You'll need to add it to every page where you want the chat widget to appear. If your site uses a common template, theme, or layout file, placing it once in that shared area will automatically cover all pages that use the template. Open your site's HTML source or your site builder's header or footer settings. You're looking for the global area that affects the pages you want. Paste the snippet just before the closing body tag, and that's the line that looks like angle bracket / body angle bracket. Putting it here allows the chat to load after your main content, which helps keep initial page load times snappy. Some developers prefer to place it in the head section to load the widget earlier. That's fine too, but be aware it can have a slightly bigger impact on initial load performance. Either placement will work, the key is to be consistent and to make sure it's present on every relevant page. When you're done, save and publish your changes. If your platform has a staging or draft mode, be sure the updates are pushed live. Once published, the Zendesk chat widget will appear on the pages where the code is included, ready for your visitors to start conversations. That's it. Copy the code from your messaging channel's installation tab, paste it just before the closing body tag on the pages you want, and then save and publish. You've successfully added Zendesk chat to your website.